Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. In today's video, we are going to be getting real personal.
Simply Shell, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
I'm going to be spilling all of the tea on vaginal health and hygiene. I honestly feel like this topic is not talked about enough, and I can understand that some people may feel uncomfortable, but as women, I feel like we should stick together in a community and talk about the discomforts, the struggles that we go through. If you're somebody who's not that comfortable talking about it, stay for a while, and if this is something that you like or you learn from, make sure to give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe. So in this video, I would like to talk about ways to prevent recurrent vaginal infections, unwanted odors, as well as maintaining a healthy pH balance, which is why I'm so excited for today's sponsorship. Brought to you by Nutrablast. They were super kind enough to send me their care package, and inside are all the goodies and everything you need to keep that vajayjay nice and healthy. Really quickly, I just want to talk about how cute the packaging is. Whenever I see cute packaging and an effective product, it's definitely a win-win. Inside, they got your girl all the way right, okay? Let's talk about it. Suppository applications, boric acid, some feminine balance complex probiotic with aloe vera, an Intimist intimate oil blend with aloe vera and tea tree, feminine pH test strips, as well as Balance Shield overnight leak protection liners. Let's just talk about some of the struggles that we go through as women, right? We face many different difficulties when it comes to our downstairs area. She's super sensitive, so you have to be very mindful about what goes inside there and what products you're using, because sometimes when we do develop infections, we're quick to feel disgusted, unladylike. Sometimes when these struggles are presented to us, it's nothing that we did. Stress plays a big role on our body overall. Being that our body's made up of microbiome, which is a whole bunch of microorganisms, if that's thrown off, it will throw off gut health, your body's pH balance, and everything else, even mentally. Now, there are other instances that can throw your body's pH off, such as sleeping with somebody who's not properly clean. Sometimes a man's, can throw off your pH balance. Overuse of feminine products with too much fragrance can throw your body's pH off and also cause irritation, because the vajayjay is super sensitive, right? When it comes to cleaning and washing down there, you don't need a whole bunch of soap. When I was younger, that was my issue. I would always feel like I needed to scrub a dub, put massive amounts of soap, but then I wind up with irritation, itching, and uncomfortable symptoms. If you're somebody who suffers with recurrent yeast infections, this video is just for you. All of these products that I'm about to talk to you about are all 100% natural and recommended by OBGYNs. I know that when I've come across some discomfort a few times in my life, I was definitely very embarrassed to call up my doctor like, hey, she's itching, or something ain't smelling too right. Who really wants to call the doctor up and say that? But with these products from Nutrablast, you don't have to go to the doctors. You don't have to make that phone call. All of these goodies in here gonna get you right. They're gonna get you right within 1 week, and you can go back to your scheduled routine, and nobody has to know but you, boo. Sometimes we don't really understand like where these unwanted infections or where these foul smells are coming from, but to be honest with you, as women, we all have our own personal smell, right? Being that the vajayjay is very acidic, sometimes the vagina becomes very alkaline. When it becomes very alkaline, that allows an overgrowth of bacteria to develop, and then that's where those unwanted odors come from. Itching, dryness, irritation, a woman's worst nightmare. It can affect our self-esteem, and it can affect our relationship, because, if you're dealing with somebody and you smelling a little weird or something ain't right, you don't want to really tell your partner, but yeah, you want to let them know, but you're embarrassed. It just amazes me how men complain about the slightest things, but they have no idea the things that us women go through. It's really important that we're mindful and we pay attention to the signs in our body, because sometimes we can get caught up with life, work, school, motherhood, and we don't realize what's really going on down there. And then over time, now we have a bigger problem. We don't want that. This is exactly why Nutrablast is clutch. The first thing we should do in any event, if we're smelling something that's not smelling too right, not your natural scent, is to try these feminine pH test strips, which will definitely let you know if something's off. You can literally order these and you can do it at home. It's going to let you know. High quality, results in seconds, easy to use, and it's professional grade. All you have to do is wipe a cotton swab against your vajayjay wall, apply a test strip, and wait 15 seconds. Right here, my friends, this is going to help you. This is going to get you right. This is going to get her together. You're going to feel like yourself again. You're going to feel confident. You're not going to feel unpretty. You're going to feel like you should feel. So here I'm holding boric acid. The main ingredient is, of course, boric acid. It's been used for thousands of years, and doctors, OBGs recommend it, so it's super safe to use. It's going to treat any discomfort, any odor, especially BV. Also promotes vaginal balance. Here comes 30 vaginal suppositories that you can insert inside before bedtime. You don't want to use this during the day when you're up and out and about, because it's going to do what it's going to do, and it may cause some type of leakage, because what goes up comes down. For 7 days straight, be consistent. Do not skip a day. Whatever you do, it's not to be taken internally, only externally. And also, if you are breastfeeding or pregnant, this is something that is not recommended. When you apply the boric acid at night, you're going to use these suppository applicators as well. And if it's most tablets and suppositories, you're going to put it inside and you're going to insert it in. Y'all should know what to do. Put this panty liner on. It shields you from discharge. It promotes healthy pH, and it supports odor control, guard, restore, and refresh, overnight leak protection. Don't be alarmed if you wake up in the morning or you go use the restroom and you see discharge. It's only the medicine that's working. If you notice that you get irritation or BV around the time you're supposed to start your menstrual cycle, you can definitely take these Boric Life suppositories a few days before your period. That way you can prevent it, stop it in its tracks before it even tries to form and accumulate to anything. Another good thing to try if you suffer with the recurrent infections is to change your diet. Sometimes foods that we eat can definitely throw our body off. Try to increase your intake with yogurt, as well as Feminine Balance Complex probiotic with aloe vera. So we have good bacteria and we have bad bacteria. So what this is going to do is a detox and it's a cleanse. It has advanced formula with 11 potent ingredients, supports healthy intestinal flora. So it also helps your gut. It also helps to support your immune system, right? So if your immune system is down and it's not working properly, everything else in your body is really going to start going as well. To take 2 capsules daily, preferably with a meal. This will help build your immune system, which helps with keeping those infections at bay. Throughout the day, you can also use the Intimist, which is an intimate oil blend with aloe vera and tea tree, all natural ingredients, which helps with vaginal discomfort, fast acting, long lasting, paraben free, use as needed to alleviate any symptoms. So definitely try this as well with the boric acid as well as the probiotics. Listen, I've been through it. We've all been through it. One of my main issues for me is just being under stress and having anxiety. Anxiety literally takes over my mind sometimes and my body. So taking these supplements have really helped me, not only for down there, but just my intestinal area, because I suffer with a lot of gut issues. So it's balancing my gut as well as keeping her all the way together. What I love about this is that there's no side effects, literally no side effects. I'm a natural type of person, so I'm always a little on the fence or unsure about certain medications, because it's usually when you take something, there's a side effect. With Nutrablast, there's absolutely nothing that can harm you. All natural, all safe. Like I said, there's so many different things that can cause infections in our body, but I'm just gonna throw a few out there just because sometimes people are not mindful. Tight clothing, your vajayjay needs air, okay? It does not need to be suffocated. Comes to your underwear, you wanna wear natural fibers such as cotton, linen, or silk. Nothing that's gonna make you sweat too much, because let me tell you, baby, infections is brewing. You can definitely accumulate a lot of bacteria in moist areas. So if you're walking around and your underwears are very moist throughout the day, definitely putting yourself at risk. So douching, do not douche. Please do not douche. That is not it. Your body cleanses itself naturally. Also, of course, when you're having unprotected, make sure that if you're not being safe, which you should be sure to wash your body right after. Do not lie in any type of, you want to make sure to cleanse up after. Right after. Of course, minimize your hygiene products. You don't want to put too much soap down there. You can use it for the rest of your body, but when it comes to down there, if you need to use any type of soap, make sure it's unscented. All the florals and all those extra perfumes can definitely affect us. 7 days, baby. That's all you need. 7 days. Nobody got to be in your business. You don't have to call up. You don't have to be embarrassed anymore. Place your order today. I'll make sure to have the link in the description. Vaginal health is important, as well as hygiene, okay? You want to always make sure that your hygiene is together. Now that we have covered everything, definitely shop Nutrablast. They have everything to help you with the vajayjay and hygiene, to keep you together, to keep you clean, and to prevent these infections before they even try to come. Got you, as always. I will provide you with a 20% coupon code as well, so that will also be down in the description. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, I'll be sure to leave all the products that I listed in this video down in the description so you can shop today and you can save a trip to the doctors, okay? To be honest, it's okay, because at one point in our life, we will go through this. If you haven't yet, you eventually will, but it's a problem that can be resolved. by using Nutrablast. I'm gonna close this video out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. And lastly, a huge thank you to Nutrablast for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
Simply Michelle,